Welcome back to another Computer Sluggish video. Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button and click on the bell to get notified when I upload a new video. Also, don't forget to check out my social media channels. In today's video, I will be showing you how to install Visual Studio 2019 Community. To start off with, first you need to click on the link that's in the description below and you will end up on a page that looks like this. Once you are on this page, you now need to go to this drop down at the top and we now need to click on Community 2019. We now need to go save file, and once the file has finished downloading, we now need to run the setup file. We now need to go continue. You will now end up with a window that looks like this. You can now go ahead and choose what you would like to install. For example, here we have desktop and mobile applications, which means we can install the .NET desktop development. We can install desktop development with C++. If we scroll down a little bit more, we have gaming and we have Unity. And there's lots of other different options. I'm going to go ahead and select the .NET desktop development. And you can now go ahead and select where you'd like to install this to by clicking on change. And you can then go ahead and change this directory here. I'm going to actually change this to my E drive as I have a lot more space. Once you are happy with your selections, you can go ahead and press install. And you now need to go ahead and select continue with my choice and press OK. And we can go ahead and press not now, or you can take the survey. That is totally up to you. And as you can see, Visual Studio is now installing onto my Windows 10 PC. Once Visual Studio has finished installing, you will end up with a window that looks like this. You now need to go ahead and sign into your Microsoft account, or if you don't have one, you can go ahead and create one. And if you don't want to sign in just yet, you can go ahead and press not now, maybe later. You can now go ahead and choose a colour theme for your Visual Studio. I'm just going to leave it on blue for now. And you can also change your development settings here by clicking on the drop down menu. We can now go ahead and press Start Visual Studio. We can now go ahead and press Create a New Project. As you can see below, we have a nice lovely list of different programming languages. I'm going to go ahead and just select VB. And I'm now going to press next. You can now give your project name. I'm just going to leave it as console app and press create. And there you go. As you can see, Visual Studio has booted up absolutely fine, and I can now go ahead and program whatever I like. And as you can see, it's actually already got a bit of programming language there, which means I can press play. And straight away, as you can see, it does say hello world. And that is it for this tutorial. I hope this video did help. If it did, hit the like button below and subscribe for more Computer Sluggish tutorials. Don't forget to check out my social channels.